welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're gonna open Ryan's World's Toy Series 2 Mystery Figures. Mystery Squishy Figures. I was wanting to open this for 3 days, 4 days, few months. Right. So I'm gonna open this today. Look. And Ryan also has a new show that's Mystery Playdate in Nickelodeon. I haven't watched it yet, so now let's open it. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Do you like jumping down in muddy puddles? Keppa does, but I don't know if I do. Oh, we kept the up one. Ooh, we got science. Mr. Scientist Ryan. He is deflated. Look. Ooh. Hi, Scientist Ryan. Hi, Audrey Ryan. Oh, I'm not Ryan. You are Ryan. Look. Whoa. Wait, what? Look at his eyes.
That's creepy.
I like squishing Ryan. Moving on to the next one. See you later.